ISIS is celebrating the month of Ramadan by giving away female slaves as prizes for a Koran memorization contest. The Clarion Project reports that in honor of Islam's holiest month, the Islamic State launched the contest throughout the al-Barakah province in Syria. On a Twitter announcement, it invites participants to memorize some of the most warlike passages in the Quran. The prizes are girl slaves for the first 3 places and money for the rest. ISIS has been kidnapping women from Christian and other religious minorities in the region.